Hey guys, I want to show you the in-store and online deals for the Home Depot Memorial Day sale going on right now. So first up, we're starting with some mowers. This one is $3.99. It was $4.29. Now this is a 20-inch as far as the cutting deck goes. This is a brushless electric mower from Ryobi. Also comes with a battery, of course, and a charger. Now from Ryobi as well, they've got these $129 brushless Whisper Series 15-inch string trimmers or the 510 CFM blowers. So you're saving $20 on each of those, and they do have those locked up. Now this one is a 6-tool combo kit for $199. I think here you're saving $100, and you're getting everything pictured here. You're getting the 2 batteries, which are a 4 amp hour and 1.5 amp hour battery, as well as the bag, and I will show you closer up on the actual box here. But you're getting the drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, jigsaw, the cutoff tool, as well as the LED light. And you're getting the 2 batteries, of course, and the charger. So pretty good deal here, and you're getting the 3-year warranty. Now for $4.99, it was $5.49. This is the Ryobi 40-volt 21-inch cutting deck mower. Now this one does come with 2 6 amp hour batteries as well as a charger, and you're getting the 5-year warranty on the tool and the 3-year warranty here on the battery. Now they did have some savings on some grills. These are those Traeger pellet grills. It's savings of $160. $3.89, it was $5.49. It's saying it can fit up to 28 burgers as well on this. And they have different accessories you can use here. So opening it up, it has a Scrub Daddy in it. I'm not sure if that comes with it for free. I would hope so, and I'd kind of push for it, unless it said otherwise. But here's the control knobs here, and just a pretty decent deal on that. They did have some deals on some other grills. I'm not sure if it's all the same brand, but $3.89, that's the one we just saw for that Pro 22 wood pellet grill. $100 off on this Woodbridge Wi-Fi pellet grill and smoker. This one's $4.99, that's online only. And then they had some more expensive grills where you can get up to $100, $200, $300 off on those types of grills. Now these are your choice for $5. These are some bug killers for your yard. You got the 10-pound powder pellets there, and that kills all insects. I guess you just spray it with a hose, and then it's pet safe. Now this one you just hook up to your hose. It's a 32 ounce, and it kind of just sprays it throughout the yard. That's another option, maybe a little bit easier. Now this is a free refill on Roundup, so I never go through Roundup enough to need a free refill, but I'm just kind of doing my yard. I'm not doing it on a commercial level or anything like that, but that's a pretty decent deal on the free refill. They did have the Ortho Bug Be Gone next to it, but I don't think that one gets a free refill. Now, as far as power inverters and generators, they had these on clearance. This is a 1500 watt AI power inverter, $245, and this is a Ryobi 2300 starting watts with 1800 watts of running time for $490. That one was $899. So really good deal on this one. $760, it was over $1,000. And then this one here is the 40 volt at $455, and that one was almost half off there. So next up, I was just walking down an aisle. This is the Milwaukee cutting pliers, $20. It was like $34, $33. So it's $13 off, then $5 off this Milwaukee multi-screwdriver tool. And guys, leave a comment down below if there's anything you might want to visit or plan picking up for this sale. $149, you're saving $80. It was $229 on this Turbo Scrub XL upright carpet cleaner. This is from Hoover, a pretty good brand. You could do your whole house with that. Now this is a pretty good deal. It's buy 2, get 2 free as far as air filters. If you haven't changed them out for spring, this would be a good time to do it. You get 2 free. Basically half off on these filters. And that's the HDX Home Depot brand, by the way. Now $698, it was over $1,000 for this 18.7 cubic foot garage ready fridge and freezer. And this other one's $499, which doesn't have the separate compartment, but of course has the freezer inside on the top. Now this is a clearance faucet area. So this was in the middle of the store. I've never seen this here before, but check out these prices. $35, it was $139 on this Glacier Bay 25-inch single mount sink. And then they had all kinds of shower heads as well. $70, it was $139, so half off on this shower head. And they just had these all packed up. I mean, they're not bad brands either. Look, Kohler, this is half off. These faucets and shower heads. So if you have a DIY project you're working on, we're kind of just waiting for a faucet that you're looking for. This one's Kohler. Look at this price, $50. It was $259. So they're really trying to get rid of these. I guess they're just trying to make room, but you can see all these down below. They do have some of these alarmed, but this is the clearance faucet section, and I guess this is now a thing. Now from Ryobi, this is $102. This is their 18-volt brushless reciprocating saw. It was $149, so decent savings on that one, but it is the tool only. A little bit less of a savings, but this one's still good. $113, it was $139 on the 7¼ inch circular saw. Now this one is $100 off on this umbrella at $349, was $449, and they actually switched the tool section and the outdoor section. I'm guessing they just needed more room. Now online, they actually had better deals online. I mean, not the clearance section, but this is the Ryobi Days free plus tool deal. $99, you're going to be saving $104. You're saving 51% on this 2 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery and charger. And the thing I didn't notice is you get a free gift with purchase on top of that as well. So not only you're saving 51%, but you're also getting a free tool. So if you do have a Ryobi tool, this would be a great time to pick this up and even pick up a free tool. Now from Ryobi, again, I think I showed you this deal previously, but this is the 1.5 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, and 6 tool kit. They did have this in store as well. $199, you're saving over 50%, over $100 of savings on this. And this has all the tools listed, of course, the impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries, charger, LED light, multi-tool, reciprocating saw, as well as that contractor bag. Next, this is the tool only, but it's the Airstrike brad nailer. It's $99. So this one, I think you're saving $40 or 29%. And just keep in mind, it is really highly rated. I think over 1,000 ratings at like 4.8 stars. Another Memorial Day tool deal here at $349. I think you're saving $20, so it's like 13%, nothing crazy, but it is Milwaukee. And as far as the ratings go, 5 stars over multiple thousands of raters here. You're getting the impact driver combo kit, so you're getting the 2 tools, 2 batteries, a charger, and then the carrying case, which is nice. And now when you buy one of these, you're going to be getting an extra item for 5% off. Now this is one of the best prices I've seen on their compound miter saws from DeWalt. This comes with the kit you'll need for $399. This is usually, I believe, $599, so you're saving $200 or 33%. And guys, keep in mind, you can get free delivery with these items. So if you can't get out of the house, if you have problems with that, or you just don't feel like it, you can get these strips shipped straight to your house for free. And you might even get free other deals online that you might not get in store. Now with this, you are getting that high fence in the back, the sliding fence, because it can handle molding, I think, up to 7.5 inches here. And these are some closer up pics of the item. I'm not sure if this one still comes with the free miter stand. It used to, but with the savings here, I didn't see that listed. I would assume they would list it if it is the case. Now at $489, this is going to be a 20 volt max tough system lithium ion 6 tool cordless combo kit. The cool thing about this is generally the price for all the tools here, but here you're also getting that tough system in the back. It says it's a $1,400 value, and you're saving over 46% here. So a really good deal. I was kind of surprised at this, and I was trying to look up to see if you did get that toolkit, but it says you do, and you can even obviously get this delivered for free. All the tools would fit back in there when you're done using it. Now for $499, you can get the 7 tool combo kit, again from DeWalt. The difference here, the tools are a little bit different, I think, as well as you're not getting that tough system rolling box, but you're just getting that contractor bag here. But you're still getting the 2 batteries. You're getting the charger as well, and all the tools listed. I think it's the impact driver, drill driver, LED light cutoff tool, sander, circular saw, and this is a savings of 47%, or you're saving $450 here. Now for $99, if you just need something like this drill driver, this is a 1/2 inch drill driver, comes with the charger, battery, and the contractor bag, really highly rated, and you're saving 45%, I believe it says, just another view of what you get. And as far as the batteries, there are 2 1.3 amp hour batteries. And guys, if you made it this far in the video, I would appreciate it if you did leave a like, a comment as far as what you're getting, if you think these deals are good, or you think they're just trying to kind of push more sales on us that aren't too good. Next from Rigid, this is $179. I think this is 14% off on this 21 degree, 3.5 inch round head framing nailer. Now, if you want that kind of lifetime guarantee from Rigid, that's what I really like. This is their tool here. They didn't have a ton of sales on the Rigid deals, or Rigid tools, I mean. Now from M12, or from Milwaukee, this is their brushless, cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit. You're getting the 2 tools, 2 batteries, charger, and the bag for $229. Now the price isn't what I was concerned about here. The price isn't even on sale, but you are getting a free gift here. You can choose between the tire inflator, the 3/8 of an inch ratchet, the mini blower here, and you can see the actual prices right next to them of what they would be. The cutoff tool or the soldering tool. Of course, those are going to be the tool only, but you are getting batteries with this deal, and it is highly rated with multiple thousands of views, with 5 stars here as I'm circling, you can see. So nice free tool deal, something to be on the lookout for if you are in the market for this. Now the main thing I think they're kind of pushing here are those appliance deals, installation deals. Of course, they do that throughout the year, but again, they did have some deals on tools and some other interesting items that I hope you found helpful. So go ahead and check out this next video, guys, and I hope this was informative.